Okay. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be bringing you guys along with me for the next few days. Tomorrow, I have a birthday party to go to, my little cousin's birthday party, and it's at Chuck E. Cheese. So yeah, it's 8:14, and I am gonna go take my shower. But yeah, y'all. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day, and I did my hair. I really don't like how it came out, but whatever. It's 1:38, and I need to get dressed. With the shoes, yes. With the shoes. So I got a shirt on. I got shirt on. I got pants on. Your hair. And then I got shoes. Yay! I should do my edges, shouldn't I? No, hit me up. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished outfit. I did the white shirt, I did the jeans. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But yeah, this is the fit. Just on the side, simple. And yeah, that's it, y'all. But I see you guys like later. I don't know what. Guys, I'm about to leave. This is the outfit. But yeah, I recorded my phone. I'm not taking my camera. No, Huh? Scan your card. Scan your wristband. There. Oh, I thought he hopped out. Alright, where you want to go? You want this one? Here. Scan. Whoa, back up. No paparazzi. No paparazzi.
No, make sure that you wanna drive?
Why are you doing this? For my YouTube. Girl, I wanna be on your YouTube. Hit me again, I'll punch you in your face. Leave him alone. What are you doing? Put the ball back. Come on. Are you my heart? Stop, Honor. When is gonna start? Oh. Catch the money. Yay! Yeah, you got money. Don't touch me. Stop touching me.
me and my that.
Stop. Are you licking me?
And
What's showing up?
I can't stand you. Bald head. Bald head.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna keep this cute and short because my battery is dead. And yeah, but we made it home. It is 10:57, basically 11. And I'm finna just get ready and wash my face and go to bed. Alright, just chill. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I wanted to update y'all. After Chuck E. Cheese, we went to my uncle's house and just chilled for a while. And that's it. My camera had died. Sorry about that. So yeah, y'all. I'm gonna go do all that, and yeah. So I'll see y'all when I'm doing something else. Yeah. Hey y'all. So it's like the next day. It's 1:47, April 21st, and I am just editing my maintenance vlog. It's like a maintenance vlog for my birthday photo shoot. And I did the photo shoot April 2nd, and it's April 21st, and it's still not up. So yeah, y'all, this is a video. It's not a sneak peek because it's already gonna be up. Period. Go watch if you haven't, because what are you doing? Guys, something popped up, so here I am, like an hour later recording, I think. Oh, my dad's taking me driving. It's like this on my face. And I look a mess, honestly. Don't mind my hair. Yeah, this is the OOTD, whatever. It's just this, Target shirt, I don't know, with these blue Nike sweats. And then I was thinking, of course, my Yeezy slides. So yeah, y'all, I am finished getting ready, and I'll come back to y'all before I leave. Alright, y'all, so I'm ready. Don't mind that, that's my AC. But yeah, I'm ready. It is 3 o'clock and we're leaving. So yeah, I'm going to drive in. If my sister remembers to record, then y'all get footage. If not, then I'll see y'all later. Y'all, it's the next morning. No, wait. Yeah, the next morning. It's Monday. And I had school. Yay. I do not want to go late. But yeah, y'all, just a little quick update. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Oh, you forgot to say that. Bye. Okay. Do you scan this now? Which one? The 25 is scan it out. The small one, I get that free. Yep. It rings up by itself all days again.
Alright, y'all, so y'all, I'm back home from school and everything. I picked up my AirPods Maxes. They're right here. You see the logo, period. But I'm gonna eat real quick, and then I'll come back and unbox my AirPods. I'm so excited. I kind of want to do it now because I want to use them while I'm eating, but I'll wait. I'm just gonna wait, you know? So yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in a few seconds. Period.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so yeah, we're gonna open my AirPod Maxes. I am like so excited. And don't mind me, I am on my floor, my room floor. I've been wanting these for like so long, literally since Christmas. And then I was like, let me just go ahead and drop it back. Why not? Yes. What? Oh my god. Bruh, fail. Oh my god, it's so slow. Oh, I'm gonna drop. Oh my god, this is. Period. 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 Ooh, they weigh. They weigh some. They weigh some. Oh my god. And then just a charger. You know, simple, simple. Gonna drop them. Oh my god. Period. Get into it. Let's open it up. There. Oh my god, bro. They're like smaller than I expected. I don't know what I expected, but they smell so good. And then I got my name engraved. Y'all see that? I'll show y'all like back camera action. Oh my god. This smell right here. Hello? Oh! What? That sound, these are sliding. That sound is cool. Hello? You can like hear everything. Hee hee. Oh my god. I can hear myself so clear. Let's connect them. Do I look weird? I actually look real cute in these. These were meant to be. They were meant to be. They were meant to be. I'll connect them. Excuse me. Need some assistance on aisle 9. Okay, let's put them on. Let's get it a try. I love you more than me. Oh, hello. I can hear myself. I'm gonna go to school tomorrow like this. Oh. Da, 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 da. I didn't even see how I look. I'm gonna get back to y'all later. I really can't hear myself, but I know what I'm saying, I think. Yeah. But yeah. Y'all, so I didn't show y'all the engravement like I said I would because it wasn't focusing, so I'm here to show y'all. So can you see? Oh, there you go. Don't mind my slippers now. Get into it. Period.
The uniqueness. Oh, it was after I sent it. After I sent it, I haven't looked at it. Why Anisha? Why not? I keep remember that name.
Alright, y'all, so I am at the college library editing my video. But I'm using my AirPod. Of course, I'm using my AirPods Maxes. But yeah, I gotta be quiet because these walls are very. So I know people can hear me. But like, I'm in a study room editing. But yeah, y'all, this video's gonna drop tomorrow. So I hope y'all can hear me. Can y'all? But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna edit this. Then after, I'm gonna go to the food truck and get me a breakfast bagel. And then I have lunch and then a college class. And I'm done. I'm done. So yeah, y'all, I see y'all later. I don't know when, but I'll see y'all later. Alright, y'all, so I am back home. It's like 5 something. And I'm gonna get in the shower. I just want to come off and end this video. The review I give the AirPods Max is a 9 out of 10. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow my socials, Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, y'all, oh my god, I might actually get that wide angle lens because I'm starting to hate this. But yeah, y'all, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.